Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Deadline Funnel and how Deadline Funnel works. So as you can see over here, we have already logged in with our new account, and as you can see, we are at the main dashboard. But before we go further, we need to know like what that funnel works for. Obviously, what it does actually. So it actually build a powerful marketing system for your business. So like it has so many features and personalized deadlines for your audience. So it can also make your email marketing, and it can integrate with your existing marketing stack and campaign types, as you can see. So there's a lot of things which you can do, obviously. So right now we are going to create campaign. So we have not created any campaigns yet, obviously, you can see. And we are going to click on new campaign or create campaign, obviously. Click on it and it will take you right over here. So as you can see over here, we are going to name our campaign first of all. So for this, like for this tutorial base, I'm just going to randomly like write down anything. So YouTube. And for me, to categorize this campaign name, YouTube videos, so I'm just gonna write product name. So in my opinion, that product name is one of the most important thing, because it can categorize every single thing accordingly, obviously. So you get the idea. So this is how you are going to do that. And do you want to try the new campaign workflow? But for this tutorial, I guess it's enough. So you can see that email provider. So I'm just gonna choose my ConvertKit, and obviously you can find more right down below like Flowdesk, Geno, and HubSpot, and there are a lot of out there. You can choose Zapier also. So there's a lot of things out there, and for me, I'm just going with this ConvertKit. And for the landing page builder, like you can go ahead and use WordPress also, Kajabi, Dragdropper, and there are more also. If you click on other, you can like obviously like disable it if you want. And otherwise you can go ahead and use Kajabi or Unbounce if you want. So I'm just gonna go with these two, or otherwise you can add more landing page like Kajabi. So after this, go ahead and click on next. Obviously you can click on need help if you are confused anywhere. So right now we are at Blueprint. So what Blueprint does, so it will connect your email sequence to Deadline Funnel. So each of your subscribers receive a special offer with a unique deadline. This is the fastest way to start increasing your conversations and getting results with Deadline Funnel. As it says that what blueprint it requires. So you can see this one is email sequence plus, and it's special offer, and it might be more useful for those who don't know what it is. So as you can see what it has written, and if we scroll down, like you can go ahead and see like page visit, like what it is: start someone's tracking when they visit a page. Automated webinar, integrate deadline funnel with your automated webinars so that each attendee receive a special offer. So it's very useful, and you can also edit them later also. So if we scroll down more, you will find more like day of the week, 15-minute opt-in upsell, like 5-minute opt-in upsell if you want, like that. Like after someone subscribers to your list, you can present them with a special 15-minute introductory offer. So you can also go ahead and do like 5 and 10, obviously, and also 30, and you can go ahead and do with 100 and 50 if you want. So these are multiple options, but for this purpose I'm just going with this template. These all are templates, by the way. These all are pre-made. And if you scroll down, all of them are there, like messenger board promotion and Shopify promotion. It's all on you. So I'm just going with this for this tutorial, and we are creating actually a campaign. So yeah. And now you need to add your ConvertKit API key and API secret key. So with my ConvertKit account, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in the settings of ConvertKit account, and I'm gonna add them over here so it can get linked with my ConvertKit account. So very quickly, I'm gonna do that. After that, you can set the deadline, and obviously choose the time zone and date, days and time. And after that, funnel steps. So you need to first of all, let's read this. A page usually displays a timer and then redirect shifts to a different page after the deadline expires. For example, if your main sales page is my website, like is an example, so mywebsite.com special offer, and after the deadline, like if deadline has been exceeded, people won't have access to that page obviously, then this page will appear. So you can just add them over here, like you can see the examples, and that's it. You just go ahead and click on finish. Obviously I need to fill this, so I'm just gonna fill this and I will meet you later. After that, obviously you will see your campaigns over here. So it's a very simple way to create your campaigns, and every single time you can see the new campaign, and you can create the new campaign also, and you can also search it. You can also like click on and filter by the colors. Like there are a lot of categorize you can do use that. Obviously you can filter out with this, and also you can just go ahead and view as grid or linearity. So it's very simple, and we have tracking core which has a different tutorial, but it's very easy to understand. Like this is the main tracking core for your deadline funnel account. Add it once to any page or website that you want to use deadline funnel on. So this is the deadline funnel. You just need to copy, and for example, just you are using WordPress, go ahead and click on WordPress, go ahead and draw job s, I guess, and click on it, and obviously you just need to paste this, and it can also show over like this one is also like inline line timers. If you want to add that, you can also do that too. So it's very easy. So I don't think I just need to like explain it very deeply, because it's just we just need to like click on it, copy and paste. That's the whole point we need to do. So this is the tracking code. And academy, if you want to go ahead and look academy, you can also do that. This is the community and have. On the right side you can find out like the billing, referral program, and obviously your account details. So and that's it. This is all you need to know about like deadline funnel, and how you are going to integrate, how you are going to like add landing pages. So I have told you everything, like how you are going to create campaign first, then how you are going to like step by step doing API key and convert kit like I have done. So this is all you need to know. After that, before we go further, like end this video, we need to understand the pricing for this deadline funnel. Obviously we are using free version. So if we look at the pricing over here, this is the monthly billing first of all, and on the left side you can find that we only can create 3 campaigns with $50 per month. So we will have 1,000 leads per month and email and chat support. Obviously for the like a most popular plan over here, 99 per month, and you can see there are multiple options over here. So obviously if you want to do that, you will go ahead and do that, but for me, I would personally say that go ahead and use this one. Otherwise free version is also out there, and there are many features out there which you will come ahead, and I'm sure that you will understand and you will explore it to yourself. You will understand every single thing out there. So these are some monthly billing and annually billing also out there. You can save 20% by paying annually. So that's it. This is all you need to know about deadline funnel. It's very easy. You just need to create the account, come over here, and do the steps I have told you. It's very easy. Relax, and please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, any questions, comment down below. Let me know. I will tell you later. So bye bye. Take care.